London, give us your name and tell us a little bit about yourself and why you think that you're the ultimate gold digger. Where you're from, or whatever you'd like us to know.
Hello, everyone. I'm Miss London, trademark. I believe that I'm supposed to be on, or I believe that I'm a good candidate for this show because I am the ultimate gold digger. Um, I'm the ultimate gold digger um, in the respect of that it doesn't just, it's not just a lifestyle to get anything from a man. It's a lifestyle to get anything from life, period. However it comes, you go get it. And that's what gold diggers are really about. It's nothing about being a whore, being sluttish, but it's about being about your chips. And anybody that knows London knows that that's what she's on. Um, I am educated. I went to school, SL, got my degree. I'm a doctor by profession. I sell land. I've started many companies. I spoiled myself, so I only expect that from anyone else. So that's what it
Yep.
is. London is the ultimate gold digger.
Alrighty, London. Let me reiterate for you. This is Angel Zarco. She's an executive producer. Tiara Aries, my business partner, as well as executive producer. Me, Starzu, the CEO. If you have any questions, feel free to hit one of us up, and make sure you add all three of us. Thank you, London.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
And now we're going to move into, are we still filming?